Well, good morning, everybody. Today is a very nice Saturday, August Saturday, second Saturday. We have all place students in Zenser Technologies. They have come to collect their TCs, and we would like to take their small interview regarding Zenser Employability Skill Development Program. First of all, introduce yourself. All are from KJ campus, Mr. Deven Tanki.
Hello, myself is Devin Bhanki, and I'm in information technology. My name is Saurabh Tudakia. I'm from IT.
My name is Sabah Mehmet and I'm from computer.
My name is Monica Shatani. I am from computers.
My name is Hiren Galani, and I'm from IT.
So first thing, everybody would like to know that our juniors, what is Employability Skill Development Program by Zenser, which is run as a CSR activity, social activity for all of us. First,
So basically the name says it all. It's employability skills development. So they train you how do you get employed by any company whatsoever. Now Zenser takes up this initiative, which is why it gives you an overall skill development. Soft skills and technical are the two parts. Soft skills will train you for your presentation and your speaking, whereas technical will train you in whatsoever .NET, ASP, or any other language. And in this way, you're entirely ready for giving any interview.
so there are two sections. One is soft skill and is there any calendar for it?
Actually, Zenser is taking care that we do not lag behind in our academics, so it is scheduled only during the holidays. The soft skills was given in 4 days training, which was scheduled during the college days. So it did not affect any of our academics. And the technical was given in 3 rounds. First, we had only the SQL part, which was the backend, and .NET and ASP.NET was given in 2 parts. That was scheduled at the term end during the holidays.
How do you feel the capacity of trainer? What kind of capacity of trainer you got?
We had an excellent training, and not only this, we had a training session, but we had an assessment too after each and every section. Like after soft skills, each day we had, at the end of the day, they used to assess us, and on the regular basis they used to give the grades, and this would definitely help us for the improvement in our skills.
What is your opinion regarding attendance of training program?
The attendance is considered very strictly, as they want to see if you are disciplined enough to be resisting in a company. So please be attentive. Don't miss any of the days while the training program. If your attendance is good and you are doing good, you would definitely be placed in Zenser. There is no other way to do it.
Now, juniors like to just know what was the pre-selection process, early selection process. What was that?
The early selection process is not that difficult. It's only about quantitative test and
GD. Discuss.
quantitative. In aptitude, you have quantitative and reasoning and the verbal section,
Yes.
which is quite easy. They don't ask you some fancy words. So if you are well prepared, just 1 hour a day for a GD and aptitude, it would be more than enough for you to get selected in any company. So it would be my personal suggestion, please start reading R.S. Agarwal or books like that, so you can score good and in less time. So that would be first clear GD aptitude. After that, everything is very easy.
So after that, I think there was no round. The assessment of the training was done by the trainer itself during the training, and then it was only final round. Right?
Yes.
What
We
was
are
there
in
in final round? Final round,
In
what was
final
there?
round, there were normal basic questions. It was just to see whether we are able to speak and we are able to introduce ourselves or not. So there were questions like what are our goals, can we introduce ourselves, how can we be beneficial for the company, and only normal such type of
And
questions
what's
were
there
there
in
for
your
HR.
resume?
Okay. So basically, HR round testing your strength and your
Yes.
communication skills.
Communication skills.
How much got selected finally from your class, from your batch?
From the batch, the whole batch was of 60, and for the interview process, there were 35 candidates were selected, and after the post interview, only 21 candidates were selected. So I feel proud that I got selected in it.
That's very nice. Now, can you just quantify this value of training? Quantify this value of training in terms of monetary expenses outside the college? If you take this training, what will be the cost of this training?
The soft skills training which was given was around say 10 to 15,000 worth in the outside market, and after that the technical training which was given to us would be around 30 to 35, including all the three sections. And after completing this training, we had some free time in which we were sitting at home. So in that also we had to utilize our time. Lensa provided us with online courses. The value of these courses was worth rupees 70,000. And now also currently before joining we had a couple of days in which we were sitting free. So in that maximum courses are free, but the paid ones would be around 10 to 15 times. So if we take these courses seriously, we get to learn a lot, and not only for Zensar, it would be very useful for improving our skills and getting placed in other companies also.
To understand, we have in our KJ campus more than 200 students got this type of training. Each batch is getting trained of this value, as he has mentioned rightly, under corporate social responsibility by Zensar, designed by Federation of TPO. This program is running successfully in our KJ campus. This is highest number, 21 is the highest number in the batch of 2016. Plus earlier 18 number was also highest number for the batch of 2015. This year also we had 16 number, which is highest till date from this 17 batch. So this kind of training is helpful for our students. We are marching towards better success. And what about your joining? When is going to be?
Yes, sir. We
22nd.
just-
22nd of August will be our first day in the office.
That's very
We are
nice.
excited for
So
We look forward.
earlier joining we are getting, and till date we have found that all the students which have been selected in Zensar from KJ campus, they were the first batch of joining each year. So any message for juniors?
Yeah, they should take GD and APTI very seriously, because these are the initial 2 rounds. So if they clear GD and APTI, the further training will be given by the company. During company training, they should be regular. They should pay attention and take these courses very seriously. And why? Because even if Zensar does not select them, there can be chances that they can be selected in other companies. So to improve their skills, they should be regular enough in technical and attend regularly and be very serious while training.
Also, the evaluation is very important, so you've got to be consistent throughout the program. It's not like you will attend something with a lot of enthusiasm and the other one not. So you have to be consistent throughout the program to get a good grade at the end.
And one more point I would like to add is that continue doing your certification, because that is also very much important. And during the interviews, they do ask you all such questions like, have you done some online courses or some certification for some technologies? So that should be very much done. And as I was a student of Microsoft, like I had logged into the Microsoft Virtual Academy, so I had done specific courses, and those seriously helped me for my interviews.
That's very nice. This batch. I wish you all the best. You're starting your career from 22nd of August with Zensar, and our senior 2 batches are already joined. They will be meeting you, guiding you. So you are also requested to guide our juniors. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.